finally, it is the award for those technicians who really make the viewers sit up and listen, the best sound in television.
And the nominees are
Mark Henry, Conall de Cléir, John Brennan, Aum an Ghátair. Niall O'Sullivan, Paul Rowland, Scéal na Gaeilge, Cillian Fitzgerald, Fiacro Hanlon, W.B. Yeats, No Country for Old Men. Cillian Fitzgerald, Zaini Dara, David O'Regan, The West's Awake.
And the IFTA goes to Mark Henry, Conall de Cléir and John Brennan, Aum Ghátair.
Wow, surprise. I guess we just like to thank Paddy and Ciara for allowing us to work in this programme and for making such a great series. And thanks to IFTA for nominating us or for giving us the award. And I don't know, Conall, has anybody to add?
Yeah, should I just, Paddy gus Ciara. Ma bhean, Green Alagus Mali, Soch for Dakiach nor Tamajan or Dakul Majan. Sinead, Magamedia.